Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad like Subway, full guide. Start by washing greens thoroughly and patting dry to avoid soggy results. Chop vegetables uniformly and organize them into bowls for an efficient assembly line. Choose a protein and toast any bread or seeds for crunch. Mix dressings lightly and taste frequently to adjust salt, acid, and sweetness. Keep portions even for a restaurant-style salad every time. Begin with a crisp base of romaine and iceberg for texture and lift. Rinse and dry greens using a salad spinner so dressing clings properly. Cut vegetables into consistent, bite-sized pieces to ensure balanced flavors in every forkful. Use a mandolin or sharp knife for uniform slices that look professional. Store prepped veggies separately to preserve texture until assembly. Finish by tasting a small sample. Before final dressing application, pick a protein that complements your chosen toppings, like sliced chicken, turkey, or tuna salad. Warm or sear proteins lightly to add depth, then chill briefly so they don't wilt the greens. Select cheeses that melt or slice cleanly to match Subway flavors. Make dressings from oil, vinegar, mustard, and seasoning, tasting as you go for balance. Combine components just before serving to keep textures distinct and flavors vibrant for a restaurant-quality salad.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.